Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣. In this channel we do lifestyle and everything in between. Anything interesting happening in my life, I always bring it to you guys. So today I want to bring you with me as I go. I have my hair fixed. Nimetoka shower, I just shampooed my hair, nikaosha, and then I will go have a new set of nails and I go to my waxing place. So I hope you enjoy this kind of content. Today I'm just doing a self-care sort of a vlog and I hope you'll enjoy it. So guys, please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Alafu, share my content, like and comment. So guys, I just went to the nearest salon, local salon, kwa ile place naishi, and as you can see, these nywele have came. So this lady was trying to detangle the hair with her hands, fingers, because they were very weak. But I combed them. I had applied chemical like 3 months ago because I was just tired of the nywele. But because my hair is not very long and it's not very voluminous, volume is very little, I was not able to maintain it, and I decided to go back to Kusonga. And for today I decided that I will have knotless. The only hair that I don't get much disappointed when I put on is knotless, but getting someone who can do knotless perfectly in this city of ours is very, very, very. And this lady has never really plaited me knotless, but I just gave it a shot. I want you guys to be the judge and tell me what you think. So guys, I just got home. This is the hair that nimesongwa, knotless braid. Me with no hairline, I'm satisfied, but my head is on fire, but I'm happy. I think it looks okay. No, it looks more than okay, but I didn't manage to go for waxing or to change my nails. Yeah, see you tomorrow. So guys, tomorrow I was not feeling okay, so I took another 2 days before I went for waxing, and another day after the waxing before I went for the nails. Nilienda kwa nail tech. My usual nail tech was not there, but his colleague was there, and he suggested I try the overlays because hizi tips nimezoea kuweka, they were killing my nails. I think guys, you have noticed when you are always having tips on, they make your nails really weak. So I decided to heed to his advice, and you will see how the overlays stand. Saa kuwa na ile colorless overlays, alikuwa na this white one. I didn't like the way it is white, and then the quality was, I don't know, inakaa tu chuck, but he really did a good work. I think he's good at his work. If it was someone else putting these on, tungeona tu visanga, but for this nail tech, he is good at what he does, given the situation and the quality of the glue gel. He really did good work. So I'm just hoping that this will help my nails grow so that I can maintain them instead of putting on tips. So nilitoka kutengeneza kucha a little late because nilikuwa nimeenda 6. So this is around 10. My friend came to pick me and we wanted to go to Art Cafe, but Art Cafe closes mostly at 11. So we did see the need to go there na kufungwa mapema. So tulienda White Kitchen. It's opposite Garden City, and we wanted to try their food. We see how it is. It's like a restaurant inside that area where kuna many pubs. I don't know kama mmetry. I and my chai. Mi nakuanga na umama. I love chai, like really love chai. It's my one good thing. Then we ate fish. Samaki yao didn't look much, but I can assure you this is among the best tilapias that nimekula hapa Nairobi. Apart from ya Kisumu, like it's nice, and the veggies, they're just I enjoyed this meal really much. Of late nimekuwa nikilose a lot of my clips because they have these dark edges, and I hate these dark edges. So I had a lot of clips that were draft, and they were to go on this video, and I had to delete most of them because zilikuanga na hii black edge. I hate it, and I don't know how to remove it. But sasa nilieka hii ndio nikuje ni rant hapa, and so that you guys can see how much I enjoyed this fish. It was generally, I enjoy samaki, especially tilapia, but I don't take kichwa ya samaki. They're stinky. I don't know what you guys think. Mi spend kichwa ya samaki venye nanukanga. How many of you enjoy eating that kichwa ya samaki? Mi yafaa tu niende nikakule kichwa ya kuku, but ya samaki, hata kama inatupea which nutrient, the stinkiness, spendi. Okay. Anyways, enough of my kidding and jokes, but I really enjoyed shooting this video, hata kama nilose most of the clips, and I do appreciate each of you who have watched this point. Subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more content. Before I go, let me just tell you that this place is very nice because haina watu wengi ya White Kitchen, just not so crowded, and the food is above average. Like I can give it a 7. The tea gang, if you want a cheap tea along the road, please go there. Chai ni 100 tu. Alafu samaki na utamu yote, it was just for fish, but you have to buy your ugali. So fish will just come with the side veggies, and the veggies zimepikwa professionally, azija tubukizwa, zimepikwa na chef. Okay, yeah, that is my rating of it. So I can give even